Hi everyone, this is Handyman Brad, and I'm just going to do a quick video on how to mount a power strip easily. So the first thing is you got to find screws that fit easily in there. So the head of the screw will go into the reset. Alright. The next step is you cover the back of the power strip with painter's tape. Trace where your holes are. Alright. Alright, take the painter's tape off the back of the power strip. Put it on the surface which you want to mount the power strip to. And you know what I did is I drilled the holes right there, there, and there with a drill bit smaller than the screws, so that the screw doesn't wander when I'm trying to screw it in, because you got to be pretty precise on this in order to get this to mount. Alright, I removed the painter's tape and inserted the screws. Now you have to adjust the screws according to your power strip. You want it pretty snug, so you might have to do a couple tries, screw them in to where you think they would be, try it out, and if that doesn't work, take it off again and just tighten them up a little bit. Go a little bit at a time so you don't break anything. But let me see if I can do this with one hand. You line up your holes, and there you go. Alright, if you have any questions, just write some comments at the bottom, and I'll respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and also the like button. Okay, that would really help me out. Thank you very much.